Good morning, first grade. Today is Tuesday, April 14th, 2020. Let's start our day with the kindness pledge. I pledge to myself on this very day to try to be kind in every way. To every person, big or small, I will help them if they fall. When I love myself and others too, that is the best that I can do. Friends, this morning, I hope that you will Zoom with me at 10 o'clock. We are going to be taking a virtual rainforest tour. For that, you are going to need a couple of things. I'm going to go ahead and show you now. You will need the Rainforest Habitat KWL chart that I emailed to your families last week. We are going to be writing down things that we know, things that we want to know, and things that we learn about the rainforest throughout our unit. We are going to take a virtual rainforest tour together. I'm going to go ahead and give you a little sneak peek now.
Come to the Amazon rainforest and get ready to see some exotic plants and animals that you won't see anywhere else in the world. As you know, rainforests are one of the Earth's major habitats. Habitats are areas that share the same weather, plants, and animals.
All right, that's just a little sneak peek of what you're going to get to see during our Zoom call this morning at 10. So remember to bring your Rainforest KWL, a pencil, and to be online with me at 10 o'clock this morning so we can kick off this unit together. I hope everyone has a fantastic day of e-learning. Click the next link to do the pledge and hear the announcements with Mr. A. Make it a great day, friends.